Xiaomi 18 Fold is definitely going to be one of the most interesting foldables of 2026, and Xiaomi is officially launching it in China this September. The biggest surprise is that Xiaomi has dropped the Mix Fold branding entirely and is now calling it the Xiaomi 18 Fold. Leaked hands-on videos and photos from Weibo reveal a completely redesigned device. On the back, Xiaomi has introduced a new horizontal runway-style camera bar that stretches across the top of the phone, replacing the traditional square camera island. It houses a triple camera setup and an LED flash. The leaked model is shown in a stunning Cabernet Red finish, a deep burgundy color similar to the Redmi K100 Pro Max. Xiaomi has also changed the overall shape of the foldable. Instead of the narrow cover display used in previous generations, the 18 Fold adopts a wider aspect ratio, making the outer screen feel more like a conventional smartphone. The device is also said to feature a redesigned water drop hinge that reduces the visibility of the crease while keeping the phone extremely thin and allowing it to fold completely flat. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 18 Fold will make history as the first commercial device powered by Xiaomi's own 3nm XRING O3 chipset. Xiaomi claims the chip can score over 5.22 million points on AnTuTu V11. The XRING O3 is also the first mobile platform to support next generation LPDDR6 memory, delivering up to 113.8 GB per second of bandwidth. As for the hardware, leaks point to a 7.76-inch LTPO AMOLED inner display with a resolution of 2713 by 1920 and a 120Hz refresh rate. The cover display is expected to measure 6.56 inches, also using LTPO AMOLED technology with 120Hz refresh rate. Camera specs are equally ambitious with a 200MP Leica main sensor paired with two telephoto cameras. Empowering everything is a massive 6000 mAh dual cell battery with support for 100 watts wire charging and 50 watts wireless charging. The Xiaomi 18 Fold is expected to run HyperOS 4 based on Android 17 right out of the box and carry an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. So these are the current leaked specs of the upcoming Xiaomi 18 Fold, and as usual, I'll be on the lookout to get more details about this device, and please take the specs with a pinch of salt because they may not be entirely correct. But as I said, I'll be on the lookout to get more details about the device, including its expected price. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications if you are really interested in this device so you don't miss the latest updates. Anyway, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.